Stop looking into the camera. Attention, please. So in our last meeting, we talked about the mystery classroom, right?
Yes.
Today, we're going to be penning down or typing out questions that we ask our partners. But before we go on, I have a question. What's one very important rule about asking questions?
When you should ask the question and give you the answer to yes or no.
What?
You should ask the question and give you the answer yes or no.
Your question should be a yes or no question, or a question that gives a yes or no answer. Very good. So Rejoice is leading this activity. Rejoice, you talk to your team, ask them what they think, and then you need to make sure I or Rejoice appoint you to speak before you speak so that we can be orderly. Is that okay? Rejoice, are you ready to start typing? All right. So you start with mystery class questions, or maybe Oak Bridge mystery class questions. Oak Bridge Foundation mystery class questions. Your screen is recording, so we'll see everything you're typing after this session. Do you need help with typing? Or are you looking at the tutorial? Somebody should help out. If you feel like she needs assistance, assist her. She's just leading with the typing and asking of questions. Doesn't mean any of you cannot help. Okay? So if you notice she's not typing something correctly, offer help. You don't need to be whispering. Turn the screen, let me see what's going on. Question. you ready for number one? Have you typed the first number? Have you typed 1?
Yes.
Okay.
What kind of question can we ask? Is your country in Asia?
So just ask the question, so I'll call anybody now to ask. Asia is a proper noun, right? A country in Asia, question mark. Victor, what kind of follow-up question can you ask after that?
Are you in China?
Are you in China? Okay, next question, are you in China? But Rejoice, I suggest that you add in brackets other if you or any country in China that they can say yes or no to. Just put something in bracket that shows that the question does not stop at China or countries in Asia. Okay. So what's the second question? Are you in China? Have you typed that? Or are you from China? Have you typed that? Okay. So in brackets, you just put or any country in the continent you can say yes to. Jibril, you're next. So frame your question properly for the next person I'm going to call. The snaps are here. Does this mean you just going to be on the computer on that day? No. Why did you? You just, why did you say no? My question was a positive question. Why is your answer negative? Are you not confident about your typing speed? Don't be impatient, Victor. You're there to assist. Hmm? Can I see what you're typing? Are you in China? Okay, or Africa? What is the first? What's the continent you asked? So, are you in China? Is Africa a country? Hmm? It's a continent. So, would you put Africa in brackets where you say China? No. So you should have listened to your teammate. Just listen to see if it is making sense or not. So, are you in China? Or what? Jibril, which other Asian country can we ask? Or any other, or maybe we should just say, or any country that matches Japan, or any country that matches the the chosen continent. So remember that you may say, are you in Asia, and they may not be from Asia. Right? You may say, are you from Asia? And their answer might be that they are from another continent. So you need to be ready in question 1 to ask the next question. And in question 2, you may not say, are you in China? So you need to be prepared for that. Your mind needs to be prepared. Your laptops needs to be ready for you to search. So what comes at the end? What punctuation comes at the end?
Close brackets.
It's close brackets in punctuation.
No.
What punctuation should come at the end?
When your question.
Or any chosen country is still part of the question. So the question mark, not full stop. Okay, Jibrin, you're next.
Snow in your country?
Okay, good question. Rejoice. That down. Does it snow in your country? Does your country see snow? Are we done? Okay. Jibrin, do you have another question? Or should we move on to somebody else? Evelyn, ask a question. Is your country cold? It sounds like that question should have come before. Does it snow in your country? But that's fine. Put it. We will rearrange them. Wisdom, you're next. Jibrin, I'll come back to you. She said, is your country cold? The simple,